Many of us live in the past and or the future. This is why many of us are always feeling depressed or always feeling constantly anxious. Now, if you want to improve the quality of your life, it's very important that you come back to and master the present moment. Hi, Namaste. My name is Katka Nair and you're watching Synchro Shakti. Welcome to the 5 steps to master the present moment. Step 1 is to become very aware of your own senses. What is it that in the moment you see around you? What is it that you hear? What is it that you feel on your body? What is it that you feel inside your body? What is it that you can smell and or taste? Become intensely aware of this and you come back to the present moment. Step 2 is to become intensely aware of your breath. Following your breath as it enters your body and expands your body, and as it leaves your body and contracts your body. So it does not matter what the quality of your breathing is, whether it's shallow or whether it's deep. All that matters is that you become very aware of it, because it brings you back into the body, which roots you in the present moment. Step 3 is to become intensely aware of the energy or the life inside your body. Most of us are at times aware of the energy in our hands. We can feel it vibrating inside our hands. But the more deeper you go into this energy, you will begin to feel the energy in your entire body, in every small part of your body. In every cell, you will feel the vibrating energy inside of your body. This is the life inside of your body. The more you root yourself inside of this energy, the more you tap into this energy, the more you are grounded and in the present moment. Step 4 is to root yourself using visualization. Rooting yourself in the present moment by imagining roots growing from the base of your foot all the way down into the core of the earth. This grounds you here and now. Step 5 is to become very aware of your emotional body, which shows up as pain or discomfort in your body, whether it's in the throat or the heart or the stomach or anywhere else in your body, and to become aware of the mental ripples in your mind, the thoughts that are happening without reacting to them or believing them or following them. Just simply notice what is happening in your mind and in your body. When you can be in that present observatory state, you have mastered or you have come to the present moment. Mastering any one of these steps is enough for you to master the present moment. Now, this takes guidance and it takes a lot of practice, because you're undoing all your unconscious need of going into the past and into the future and becoming a lot more conscious and present. Now, I'm open to guiding you through my online coaching program, but also if you live in India, I'm hosting a one-day workshop in Bangalore City on the 8th of November. And of course, that workshop teaches you how to master your mind, how to master the present moment, how to master your emotional self, and how to master your spiritual aspect. These are the 4 aspects of your experience on planet Earth. And if this is something that you feel you need to master, then please do visit the link below, which is a link to the registration page and my website, and of course my email ID, so you can contact me directly. And for everyone else, I will see you soon for another video. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.